So I uploaded a video 2 days ago, and a lot of people wanted me to break it down, right? It's an African groove, simple bass line, right? An African groove. So yes, I played on key of G. So let me just play it very simple and I break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the line, so I just play it repeatedly, right? In those circles. So there is all. So let me just call out the note. 1, 2, 3, go. So what I played is do, mi, then ghost note. Do mi. You get it? So do mi, then fa la re so. Do mi, la re so. Right there. Then re ti so, right? Do mi, fa la re so, re ti so. Then fa mi re do mi. The other circle, right? So right, let's go again. Right, so the second one is same thing, but I just changed a little thing at the end. So then don't tell us of me, right? So this was what I changed, right? Don't tell us of me, right? Or what I added. Don't tell us of me, right? So right, so let's play the first one and the second one. 1, 2, 3, go. So you see how it sounds, right? So yes, you can add it to this song or play it with this song. Hey, my Lord, this good. So it's a very African popular song, right? A lot of people use or sing almost every Sunday. So you can just add it to your routine, right? So faster. So this is actually the tempo I actually played it on. I think something like this, faster like this. So what will actually make you achieve this is for you using the metronome, right? Try playing it very slow. Start slow, then use a metronome, a time signature actually, right? Then keep doing that. Get confident playing it slow. Then before you start stepping it up to your desired tempo, right? So sorry. Another thing, try to make sure your notes are clean and clear. Let it be something that someone can know that this is a note you play, right? It should be precise. Yeah, so just try it out.